As more and more African Americans began to officially enlist into the Union Army hospitals reluctantly employed African American medical doctors, surgeons, and nurses to provide medical care to black soldiers. Many of the white officers that led the colored troops were uncomfortable with the black doctors and nurses, but the Union Army was unable to always provide a white doctor in their place. On April 14, 1863, Alexander Thomas Augusta became the first of only 8 black physicians commissioned into the Union Army. Born free on March 8, 1825, in Norfolk, Virginia, Alexander Augusta first worked as a barber. Interested in medicine, he applied to the University of Pennsylvania, but was denied due to his race. He traveled to Toronto, where he studied at the University of Trinity College, and in 1856 he graduated and established his own medical practice. At the onset of the Civil War, Augusta wrote a letter to President Abraham Lincoln offering his services, stating, "I beg leave to apply to you for an appointment as surgeon to some of the colored regiments, or as physician to some of the depots of freedmen." Augusta returned to the United States and was commissioned into the Union Army's 7th U.S. Colored Troops as a major, making him the highest-ranking black officer in the Union Army. Many white officers were resentful of Augusta's high rank and were uncomfortable with the black surgeon. In his first post at Camp Stanton, Maryland, the white assistant surgeons refused to serve under an African American and requested that he be removed. Augusta was then placed at the Freedmen's Hospital in Washington, D.C. as the first African American surgeon-in-chief, where he managed several African American surgeons, including John H. Rapier, Anderson R. Abbott, and William P. Powell. In 1868, Augusta joined the faculty at Howard University's first medical school, becoming the first African American faculty member.